in this part, we are going to see how we can access radio button and checkboxes using our PHP in the server. So in here, I have already built this form which have some radio buttons and checkboxes as well. So let's go and create our PHP tags by typing PHP, the opening tag and the closing tag. Right now, if you guys can see, all my genders have the same name. So when I use a select one of them, it will just display the value of the selected one. Same, we can type echo if the form method is post. You can type here $post, then the field name. So in our case, gender. Now I can see female. If I select another one, I can get other male. I can get male. Same for the radio buttons. Currently, I have different names for each checkbox. So easily I can just type echo $post or request. Let's type this time request, because request, using request we can access both get and post method. So I will type request, then the name of the input or form. Now I got error, so let's add our null safety operator as well. Okay, now if I select the first hobby, I get, okay, we have not added null safety for the genders. Let's add a null safety here as well. Okay, now if I select gender, I get, gender, I get gender, and if I select both of them, I will get male reading. If I select female traveling, I don't get the gender of that traveling. For each of them, I have to type echo and the field name. So instead of that, I will give all of them same name by typing hobby, and I will pass them as an array. So to pass them as an array, I will just open and close square bracket. So let's copy this to all the checkboxes name, paste here, paste here. Now in here also, instead of hobby 1, we can just type hobby. Now in the server, I get all of them as an array, not as a string. So to access array, we will use a for loop. So let's type our loop. First, let's comment this out, and in here, let's type for $I is equal to 0. Run this loop until $I is smaller than the count of post, then the checkbox's name. So let's copy this and paste it here and continue. In each loop, increment the $I by 1. Then inside this for loop, we can type our checkboxes value. So we can type echo $post, then our field name, which is hobby, and finally the index of the array. So now, because we have not selected any, we get error. If I select some fields, click submit, I get all of them. So let's add a BR as well in here, echo BR break. Now I get male reading traveling. If I select female, I get reading and traveling female. So this is how we can access the values of checkboxes and radio buttons in PHP.